Hello viewer, how to fix phone contact not showing in phone app. Let's see the solution. Open your phone setting. Now scroll down and find out apps. Tap on apps. Now search phone app. Go to phone app. Now scroll down and click on phone storage. Now clear cache data from lower right corner. Now go back to your home screen. Now open Google Play Store. Now search contact. Now install Google Contact app. After complete the installation process, open your Contact app. Now access all permission. Now go to your home screen. Again open your phone setting. Scroll down and find out Google. Tap on Google. Now click on all service. Now scroll down. Tap on Google Contact Sign. Now click on Sign. Now turn on Google Contact Sign. Now see all phone contact show in your phone app.